there everyone, so we have made a craft video after a very long time. And yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making a origami fish, an origami penguin and an origami snail. So let's get started. Please complete your wish by making this origami fish. Be the queen by making the penguin. Let's sail through origami with the help of this snail. Thanks for watching. So how was the video? Let me know in the comments. I'm sure you liked the rhymes between those tutorials. And have you made these origami before? Let me know. And if you want more origami tutorials, then you can let me know in the comments, so I'll make a video on it. So see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye everyone, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.